This is Karthik Bele. About me, I am a professional footballer from Mumbai, India. I have represented Mumbai FC. I lead to Lone Star Kashmir, Mumbai University, and few more teams from Mumbai. Thank you. So let's start our workout. So guys, let's start our warm up. We'll start with stretching. Exercise number 1. Okay. So bend your left leg and hold your right leg's ankle. You'll get a stretch here. Hold it for 7 seconds minimum and then change your leg. Change. Change. Now this is an alternate stretch where you have to put your right leg forward and bend your right leg, and you will feel a stretch in your left leg behind the hamstring. Each stretch should be minimum of 7 seconds. Hold each stretch for minimum 7 seconds. Change. Okay. Now spread your legs apart and hold both of your ankles. Go down. Hold for 7 seconds and then go to choose a side. You should feel the stretch here. Change. 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 Now hold your knee and pull it towards your chest. Try balancing yourself. Change. Next leg. Change. I hope you are counting. Change. Pull your leg towards your back. You'll feel a stretch in your thigh. Okay. Change. Pull your right hand and push it inwards with your left hand. Change. Now pull it this way, if you can see. You'll feel a stretch here. Change. Change. Don't hold your leg stretch more than 3 or 4 seconds. chain. So guys, we've done with stretching. We'll start with a push-up. 25 push-ups. So this was our first set, 25 push-ups. We'll do 2 sets or 25 push-ups. Okay. Take a 3-second break. If you feel, you can take a breathe in and breathe out like this. Okay. So now I'll show it sideways. So we have done our 2 sets of push-ups. Now high knees is when we stand in one place and we act as if we are running. Our thighs will come up till here. Okay? You can say spot jogging, but in a better way. So we'll start. 3, 2, 1, start. 45 seconds done. My dog just saw me doing this and I guess he also wants to work out. No, I don't think so. So 45 seconds high knees. So when your thigh comes up, don't forget to move your hands. Don't keep your hands still and do like this. Your hands also should move with your legs. So when your left leg comes up, your right hand should come out. It should be alternate. You can start with a slow high knee just to synchronize. Okay? So now back heel. Again 45 seconds back heel. Let's start. Great. So guys, you can take a minute break. I guess you're all warmed up. Take a minute break. We'll get back and we'll start a main training with the ball and few exercises, few strengthening exercises. Take a sip and come back. So this exercises which I am showing you with the ball, you can practice it at home. See, this is my home. I am practicing it here only. You just need some space and you can go it with. Okay, so we'll start with exercise number 1. So in this exercise, you just have to keep the ball in front of you, push it with the inside of your foot, push it with the inner part of your foot, like this. Okay, push it with the inner part. Then the next step is, this is step number 1, push and stop it with your alternate leg, which is your left leg. Stop the ball with your left leg and pull it back with your left leg till here. Okay, so we'll join these 2 steps. Push with your right, stop with your left, pull back till here. Okay, again, push, stop, pull. Remember, push, stop, pull. Okay, practice this 10 times. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh my god. Sorry, my mistake. So we were at 8, 9, 10. Okay, so now I'll show you the last step of this exercise. You push it with your right, pull it back with your left, and again push it with your left and pull back with your right. So I'll show you the whole thing. Cool. So if you want, you can practice the same thing with your left 10 times. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, and then you have to mix each and everything. If you want, you can take it easy, take it slow at the start. Slowly. Okay, and move your speed, increase your speed, okay, increase your speed. So I'll show you why and for what this exercise is useful. If suppose there's a defender here, okay, this is a defender, and you receive the ball, you push it, you pull back, and you go this way. So this exercise is very useful. You can just fake the defender that you're passing here To stop it, you pull back. You go, you pull back, and you move this way. So you push with your right, pull back with your left, and again push back with your left again. It's okay? Cool? So you can use any bottle or anything as a defender. Cool? Now exercise number 2. Okay? So in this exercise, what we'll do is we'll roll the ball. Roll the ball with the down part of our foot, okay, which you can call the foot. Okay, so this is a ball. Roll the ball, stop with your left leg, and again then roll the ball with your left, stop with your right. Okay, roll the ball with your right, stop with your left, roll the ball with your left, stop with your right. Okay, if you want, you can do it slowly. You can decrease the width like this, like this, like this. Okay, okay. Practice each and every exercise as much as you want till the time you are not perfect. It's a very simple and easy exercise. Increase your speed. So basically, after rolling the ball, this thing, the place where you stop, it should be very important. You should know where the ball should stop. The ball should be in your control. After rolling, see, it should be dead stop at the place you want. So after rolling the ball, the alternate leg from which the left leg, suppose I am rolling the ball with my right leg and I am trapping my ball with the left leg. So while trapping, my leg should be very soft, very soft. If I use a pressure, my pressure to stop the ball, it will go flying. It will go back there. Okay. So please be gentle and be soft while stopping or trapping the ball. Okay. Just a second. My dog. Milo, this is not for you. This is not for you. You will not have coronavirus. Okay, guys, use the mask. Milo, stop playing with the ball. Go sit. Go sit there. Good boy. Milo, please be a good boy. We'll work out later, buddy. We'll work out later. Okay? So, please be gentle while trapping. Please be gentle while trapping. Sorry. This is my Q Learn, Train and Cultivate. This is the company which I am working for right now. And so, where was I? Please be gentle. Please be gentle. Okay? So, exercise number 3. This is our second exercise. Exercise number 3. So, I think everyone has a everyone has a ball, okay? And if your ball is not dirty, please wash your ball or clean your ball before doing this exercise. Okay, so our exercise number 3 is basically ball passing. It's very simple. You just need to pass the ball. So guys, this is our third exercise in which we'll use a wall. Basically this exercise is very simple. We just need to do wall passing, and I hope everyone has a clean ball. It's not dirty. Otherwise, I'm not responsible. So let's start. Pass, pass, pass. Keep playing. Keep playing. Be on your toes. Be on your toes. Keep passing. Keep passing. Keep passing. Use your alternate leg. Use your alternate leg. If you first pass with your right, then with your left, then again with your right, again with your left, right, left, right, left, right, left. What is important in this exercise is you need to be on your toes, always ready, always ready, always ready, always ready, and keep adjusting your body. Keep the body movement. Keep adjusting the body according to the ball you are receiving. Okay. So if I am receiving the ball this way, I'll adjust my body. I'll adjust my body. Adjust my body. Okay. The goal is not passing the ball with the same leg again and again. If you are passing it with the right, you will just improve your right leg. Everything you will improve of your right leg. We need both the legs. So we do alternate passes. Right, left. Guys, keep practicing and improvising yourself with this exercise. Okay, it's a good basic exercise to for quick passes, for 1-2s, for body adjustment, for body quickness. Okay, and now we'll do a trapping exercise at home. Yeah, at home. So hold your ball in your hand, and you need just few space. Okay, hold your ball, and then throw the ball up. Receive, trap the ball with your right. So you will trap the ball with your lace part. With your lace part. Okay. Throw, trap. Okay. Again, pick up. Throw, trap. Okay. 10 times with your right leg, 10 times with your left leg. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So you see the ball, it's dead stop. It's dead stop on the ground. Okay. Now with your left. Okay, so my left is not so good, but okay, I am also trying. Yeah, it's perfect now. No. See, practice makes a man perfect. It's true. Okay. Okay. 10 times with your right, 10 times with your left, and if you have a bigger space, if you have a garden, if you have a compound outside your building, and if you are allowed to play, you can throw it much higher and receive. You can practice at the thigh as well. Receive. Okay. Receive. 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 Okay, cool. Then the exercises. Exercise number 1 is squats. Okay, so Milo, go. We are not working out with you. Sit. Sit. Good boy. Good boy. So we'll start with squats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 squats, okay. 15 squats. Milo, no squats for you. No squats for you. Sit, be a good boy. So 15 squats, okay. Now we'll do 15 lunges, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Mike, go sit there. 30, 40, 50, 16. So lunges done. 15 lunges, 15 squats, and now we go to the abdomen, which is this abs workout. So first what we do is toe touch, okay. We do toe touch. 1, 2, 3, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. 25 alternate toe touches, okay. We do 2 sets of 25 alternate toe touches. Again, from sideways. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Done. So 2 sets of this and 2 sets of another toe touches, but that's not similar to this one, okay. It's way too different. 25 each set, okay. We did 2 sets of that. Now 2 sets of this toe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Can you bring the camera here? Oh. Okay. One more set. Take a 5 seconds break. Again. So 4 sets of toe touch, okay. Now let's start with a pull down. This is our first stretch, and it should be very easy and calm because it's a cool down. We are helping our body to relax and come back to the same level of normal temperature. So it should be very easy. Hold the leg as long as you can, but not more than 10 seconds. And breathe while doing this stretching. Okay. Push your legs with your elbow. Push it. Take your right leg, over your left leg, then take your left hand, and push your right leg with your left hand. Hold your left knee with your left hand and push your right leg. Milo, you're not doing it right. Same exercise. Put your left leg over your right leg. Hold your right knee with your right hand and push. Done. Milo, give me some space, buddy. Just move your upper body. Just move it from your hips. So guys, I hope you enjoyed our workout.